Cool. You guys have made it to section 3. Let's get started. This is compounds, macros, and micros, basically. Macronutrients, micronutrients. A lot of it's memorization, but we're actually going to try to group those micros together so they're easier to memorize and easier to be an asset, right, for who we're coaching. So it's great to be able to spout off the scientific names of these vitamins, but we want to make them useful. So the best way to do that is to group them together. Let's start with question 1. And yeah, I mean, let's just go right down the list. So we'll just take a look at the list. And that makes a nice, acronym too, right? Easy to say. ADEC. So there you go, right there on the list. All right, question 2, also from the charts, but also from the lecture, and a little intuitive. These are the ones that we're going to eat the most of. Magnesium, maybe it's the exception. Definitely magnesium is one of the 4. Right? Sodium, another one. These ones that we need in higher quantities are mostly used by the muscles. The exception might be phosphorus, actually. That one, creatine. There's a lot in creatine and ATP. Of course, the idea of minerals is that they have these abbreviations, and that's because they come right off the periodic table, right? So that's the difference between vitamins and minerals. These guys come right off the periodic table. So it's cool to learn that there's 2 types of vitamin, or there's multiple types of vitamin A, and 3 types of tocopherol E's, or 4 maybe, but we want to group them together, right? We want to group these together. So just coming right off of the chart, we can try to make some connections. You see that vegetables prevalent in certain vitamins, right? Here you go again, B9. Leafy greens for B7, so the B vitamins seem to hold a lot of those B vitamins, the leafy green vegetables. Right? Leafy greens again for vitamin K. So it's easy to see that someone that's doing a hardcore keto diet or something, maybe they need to eat more vegetables. What they're missing, it's pretty obvious, right? Pretty obvious. So this one's right out of the chart. Talk about it. Carbohydrates have 2 fates in plants and animals. We talked about this one right out of the lecture. We know what the building blocks of protein are called, don't we? Right? It's important to know what the really important minerals are abbreviated as. In my opinion, the reason it's important is if you ever read the back of some supplement labels, they're going to list the compound. And you knowing what the compound is made of is important. And of course, this one's pretty straightforward. From the lecture, we talked about it at the beginning of the chapter, right? Okay.